If your child hair is breaking, dry, or not growing, shedding, this carrot infusing oil is a game changer. I make this oil using olive oil, coconut oil, vitamin E oil, and essential oils. And it's help to strand natural hair, protect your edges, and keep your children hair healthy and shinier. Watch to the end because this thing is going to help you to grow your hair faster than you cannot even imagine. Let's start doing it step by step. Right now I have my carrot here. I'm already start peeling it because I try to avoid the video not to be too much long. So I'm peeling my carrot. So what I'm going to do while I'm peeling the carrot, let's welcome to our people again to this channel. This channel is all about beauty care and also how you can do to grow your hair and your children's hair. This is what I do in this channel, and also I'm doing face masks. Also, if you have dark spot, acne, all these things you can find it in this channel. And also I have my carrot butter selling in this channel also. So if you are interested, also you can send me email so that we can talk about it. You can patronize me, guys, patronize my small business. So right now while I'm peeling my carrot, let's talk about the benefit of carrot. Carrot is promoting healthy hair growing and strengthening hair strands, is adding natural shining to your hair and supporting scalp healthy. So carrot is very good. Carrot is having so many benefits. Carrot also is helping to brighten skin. Also, if you are using carrot for your skin, it's going to brighten. So guys, as you guys know how I'm doing this, and I'm going to dry my peels also to use it for something else. So right now the next thing that we are taking is I'm going to grind my carrot. Okay, I'm going to use grinder to grind it. So you can do blend it, or for me I will prefer to grind it. So I'm going to tell you, if you're also going to do, you should grind. When you are grinding it, use the smaller part of the grinder to grind your carrot. Okay, so while I'm grinding it, let's continue to check the benefit of the carrot, what carrot can do for us for our natural hair care. Carrot is one of the powerful ingredients that I'm going to say. If you are about to looking for a way to grow your natural hair, please try carrot oil. Even if you don't have it and you are going to buy it, you can also buy it from the market. But the only thing I always advise people, please try to know the type of oil that you have to use for your hair. Know your hair type, and because the oils, not the carrot oil, the oil that they are going to use to infuse the carrot, that's the problem. So right now, as you guys can see, carrot itself, it doesn't have oil, so I have to put the oil inside. So if you know your hair type, that time you know that okay, they use this oil to infuse this carrot. Okay, that oil is good for me, I can use it to stay. Or if that oil is not good for my scalp or it's not good for my hair, what I have to do, I can only use it for hot oil treatment or massage my scalp and cover it for 1 hour or 2 hours after I go and wash it. So always know your hair type and the ingredients that you guys have seen me doing. Please, before you apply it to your children or you yourself to apply to your hair, always make some patches test. Is very important, because when you make a test of it, you will know that whether that thing ingredient is good for your skin, because you may have sensitive skin which you cannot apply it. Because I can apply, or I can use it for my daughter and nothing did not happen to me or my daughter, but for you, you can apply it to your skin and you have some asthma or skin problem. So always try to avoid to get that, and try to make patches test before applying. So guys, now as you guys can see, I finished grinding it. So this one, I'm just going to make carrot juice. I need a juice, small carrot juice that I need from it. So I'm going to use that one also to make carrot face mask. So please, that one also you can come back. If you are interested with things that I'm doing in this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Anytime when I upload new video, YouTube, they will notify you, for you to know that yes, Princess and the mother, they are on board, they post something. And our post days also, I'm posting videos on Wednesday, Saturday and Monday. So Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. So these 3 days I'm posting videos. So and I'm posting it according to our place time. I'm living in Belgium, so I'm posting my video around 6. So please, I don't know where the place that you are watching me from. You also come, if you subscribe, you have to follow us and supporting this channel for me. So this time I'm just removing the carrot juice. As you guys can see, I'm going to use it to make face mask and cleanser tonic. So please come back and watch that video also. Okay, so now we are going to pack that one and put it aside and put this one. I'm going to put it, I'm just showing it to you guys again, maybe in case you also going to use carrot juice to do something. This is pure carrot juice, no water, there's no water inside. So now the remaining one, I'm going to add it inside the one that I'm already put inside my pot. I'm adding it inside there. And now after adding it inside, the next thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to take it and go to put it on fire. So guys, here is the things that I'm going to tell you. You can use double boil. Now this is my olive oil that I'm going to add. You can make a double boil method, or you can do it a frying method. So I'm going to use it the frying method because I need this oil to stay for long. Okay, so if you know that maybe you are going to make small quantity amounts, you don't you want it, maybe actually you just want something like a month, between months, 3 weeks to 1 month, so that you finish using it, then you can do small amount and do a double boil method. Because when you make the double boil method, definitely there is a oil, there's a excess water from the carrot natural water is there. So that water also, when it's going to be inside, it can spoil your oil very quick. So that's why I prefer to make this one in double boil method. Unless maybe if not like that, then I always dry my carrot. I'll dry it and use the dry one to infuse my oil. Then that one I will not have any problem. But right now I'm going to make hot oil treatments to my daughter, and we need oil, we need to use oil to make this thing. That's why I'm doing it in a frying method. So right now, while I put inside my olive oil inside, let's check and see the olive oil benefit. Now it's almost ready. So now the next thing, I'm going to add my coconut oil inside. Olive oil is also soften hair and reducing dryness. It's also preventing breaking, your hair breaking, is keeping hair flexible. So olive oil is very good, and also it's also sealing natural moisture to your hair. You see my carrot, the one that I cut, that one I'm going to dry it. Or after drying it, then I will use the dry one. That one I'm using for my carrot butter. So please guys, you can patronize my carrot butter. Okay, patronize me, I'm selling carrot butter. You can patronize me, send me a DM. I'll send you my WhatsApp so that we'll chat on that place. So right now, after that, now the next thing, I'm going to add my coconut oil inside. Please stay tuned, because this thing, I'm going to show you guys how you can apply it to your hair. I'm definitely going to apply it to princess hair. In case you're also going to apply it to your hair or your children hair, you know the right way that you can do to get the benefit from this oil. So now let's check and see coconut oil. The benefit of coconut oil is penetrating hair shaft and preventing protein loss. It's also penetrating hair, reducing stick when your hair is very stick. I don't know, I hope you guys understand my English. Is very stick, and you are using coconut oil, is going to make it a little bit soft and elastic to your hair. So coconut oil is very good. But when they say like that, it doesn't mean that you can just use coconut oil into your hair like that and get all the benefit that I'm just said, or the benefit that when you yourself you do your research, you see a lot of benefit. It's not like that. You have to do it the right way, the correct way, to get the correct result. Okay, if you are looking for the result, so watch this video to the end, so that I will help you to show you how you can apply it to your hair and get the benefit for it. So now after I fry it for like 25 to 30 minutes, so I strain it the first part. So right now, this one also I'm going to strain it one more again, because I need the oil to be very, very clean. So I'm going to use my filter and filter it. As you guys can see now, the oil is very clean. So why is clean like that? So the next thing, I'll still going to add some essential oils inside to get a little bit benefit from this oil, right? I cannot leave it that like that. So right now our thing that I'm going to add is going to be, I'll add like mango essential oil inside. I'm also going to add my vitamin E oil. I'll add maybe my lavender essential oil. So now let's start with mango essential oil. Mango essential oil that I'm going to add inside, mango and jasmine essence, is softening for scalp and improving hair smelling and adding softness and shining to your hair. While using this thing is going to help you a lot, so it's very good. Guys, you can see my daughter is looking for my trouble. So even I finally say, I have to take this oil from there, because this child sometimes she can be there, you are trying to tell her to get down, leave you alone. She's not going to leave you alone to do your work. So that's it too. Anyway, so now after that, the next essential oil that I'm adding is my lavender essential oil. Please, my people, if you have the same essential oils, why not? You can add that one. But if you don't have the same essential oil, any type of essential oil you have, that's your choice. Put that one inside. Don't kill yourself because you want the same essential oil. The one that you have, it's also working perfect for you. It can be like you have peppermint, tea tree, rosemary, name them, gracie, avocado, coconut essential. Which one that you just have, just put it inside. But please, if you are going to use, now I'm adding my vitamin E oil. If you are going to add, let's say peppermint or tea tree essential oils, those heavy essential oil, always be careful, especially on the children. Their scalp is very sensitive, so it's you have to be very careful while you apply. For example, now I get to know my daughter, when I add peppermint essential oil, she always telling me that my scalp is itching me, my hair is itching me. So please avoid that thing. That one is very heavy for the children's scalp. Okay, always use the soft one for them. So now you can see this is amount of the oil that I got. Now this is the way that I just started. Actually, guys, you can come back to watch the full video, because I was planning to do this thing in front of you people, but the time is not enough, and also princess want to even go, so I'm just going to do fast. That's why I don't want video also to get too much long. That is why, you guys, this is the way that you are going to see. So before you apply, try to have your hydrating spray. Okay, you have to have a hydrating spray, whether it's going to be aloe vera herbs or it's going to be water. Spray into your scalp or in your hair, massage it small, make your hair wake up. If your hair is sleeping, your scalp is sleeping, wake up your scalp before you apply. After you massage it with that oil, that's water or aloe vera herbs, then that time you add your liquid oil from the carrot oil. You add it into the scalp, massage the scalp. Okay, from massaging the scalp, you add for the tips also, massage it, because the tips also are very important, because the tips that you need to take more extra care, because the tips that is going to help you to maintain the hair length. If you are looking for a children hair to get longer, so you have to be maintaining their hair length. You can see what I'm using. That's my aloe vera herb that I'm using. Aloe vera herb spray, you can use it, or you can use normal water to hydrate your hair. So far as that your hair, you don't put the oil or the butter in the dried way. So this carrot oil, before you apply, don't apply it while your hair is dry. If your hair is dry and you are using it, you are not going to get any benefit, you are not going to get the results. So always hydrate your hair with water or aloe vera herbs. Is very important. So the benefit of all this thing, the carrot oil, the benefit of it is encouraging healthy hair growing, it's keeping scalp moisturizing, it's reducing dryness and itchiness, it's also strengthening edges, strengthening your edges. Also, is perfect for protective protect your hair and make it protective style. When you are going to make protective style for your children, it will make the hair very more soft and shiny for you to do. And also, you can just use it without adding any gels again. For me, I'm not using any gel for my daughter hair, so you also can just do it like that for the child hair to look very clean and neat, especially if you know how to make hair. But always make sure to take her hair gentle, make their hair very gentle. Don't take it in the harsh way. Always be gentle with their hair. Okay, please, if you watch it up to this point and you love what I'm doing, please help me by liking, subscribing and sharing this video. And also just write in the comment section, yes, I will try it, yes, I'll put it into my daughter, or I'll put it into my hair, so that I will know that yes, you watch it up to this point. May Allah bless all of you. Thank you very much to my returning subscribers, guys. I cannot take you guys for granted because you guys have supported me a lot. This channel is all about beauty, natural care. Bye.